How to create group on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create group on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device, and once on this home page here, you will notice plus icon at the top of the screen. Click on it and some options will pop up. Here click on that new chat option at the top. By clicking on it, you will reach to this page. Here you will see a search bar where you can search the name of the person you want to add in your group. Simply click on the search bar and enter the name of the person. Once you find the person, click on the circle and the person will be selected. You can also select other users you want to add to your group. After selecting them, below you will see Done option. Click on it and wait for a while, and there you go, you have successfully created group on WeChat. Now if you want to add more members in your group, just click on these three vertical dots at the top and there you will see plus icon. By clicking on this plus icon, you can add the people you want to add to your group. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.